what's up, Sam here. I've always been a multiple screen guy because as a content creator, I need at least one gigantic screen for video editing and another to check scripts, look up info, etc. But still, I'm always wanting more screens. There's never enough. Sometimes I'm multitasking like crazy. Just look at how many tabs I've got open. But adding more screens usually means more cables. I'm honestly too embarrassed to show what's behind my desk, even with just 2 monitors. Not to mention those hard to adjust monitor angles and zero portability. So the device I'm reviewing today, the AUSNAT Transformers, might completely change my multi-screen workflow. It doesn't just come with 2 or 3 screens, it comes with 4. That's the most I've ever seen. But it's more than just a screen extender, it's actually a modular productivity system compatible with multiple OSs. Let's dive in and see what makes this thing so innovative. The unit I'm reviewing is still in the prototype stage, so they couldn't provide a finalized retail box. I cannot show that, but they did send over a dedicated bag, which you can order separately from their crowdfunding page. Link is in the description. Everything fits inside this one bag. Magnetic connectors, cables, and most importantly, 4 screens. Even fully packed, the bag still feels lightweight, perfect for working on the go. The whole setup uses magnetic connections, which makes assembly super easy. Just align the screen with the connector, you'll hear click, and that's it. Want to remove it? Just press the button on the side and it pops off. These connectors not only snap the screens together physically, but also transmit power and data between them. You can use each screen independently or link them as an extended display. Each AUSNAT screen has a power port, a USB-C port, and control buttons. Just plug in the power, use the included USB-C cable to connect to your laptop, and you're good to go. All 4 screens light up. The AUSNAT Transformers offers 15 different display modes based on how you mix the screen count, orientation, and functions. It supports standard dual, triple, and quad screen setups. And with the companion app, you can even virtually merge them into one ultra high-res display. Here's how a few setups work in real life. In dual screen mode, you can place them side by side or stack one on top. Want to rotate one vertically? Just open the app, tap the screen you want to rotate, like screen 1, assign it to group 1, and set to vertical. Boom! Perfect for reading or editing long docs. For triple screen setups, my go-to is either an L-shape or a straight line layout. Setup is just as simple. Assign screens 1 and 3 to group 1, screen 2 to group 2, and choose horizontal or vertical orientation. If one screen is flipped, just tap to rotate it. With quad screen mode, the options really open up. Merge them into a giant 4K canvas for editing, or create an ultra-wide immersive setup for sim racing games. Personally, I use one screen for docs, the middle one for editing, top center for monitoring my asset library, and the right for social media. This multitasking setup has seriously boosted my productivity. I can actually finish work early now and enjoy life a little bit. Each screen also has 4 buttons on the back to adjust brightness, color temperature, and display settings. Super convenient. It's compatible with Windows, macOS, and Android, and you can even cast your screen wireless. Now onto the most important part. How is the screen quality? Each display is a 1080p IPS panel with 100% sRGB color gamut, a 1000:1 contrast ratio, and a peak brightness of 300 nits. That's good enough for casual editing, browsing, and general productivity. Check out some video samples. Let me know what you think of the quality. Not bad, right? Here's one more cool feature. The AUSNAT has a built-in graphics chip that offloads some of the strain from a laptop's GPU when you are running multiple screens. That means it can even help when you're playing games. I can link 3 screens together for a super wide immersive view. It feels like you are in the middle of the action, commanding things across 4 battlefields. So, what's the verdict? Honestly, this thing is a game changer. The modular design and solid display quality make multi-screen setups way easier. The 15 display modes are so versatile, I cannot think of a scenario this thing cannot handle, whether for heavy work or immersive entertainment. And best of all, no more cable chaos. My desk has never looked this clean. If you juggle multiple tasks like I do, this setup is definitely worth a look. It's live on Kickstarter now, so check the link in the description for more details. Thanks for watching, I'm Sammy, I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.